Here's the easiest way to answer this maths method's sample proportion question. We've got for random samples of 4 retirees, p hat is a random variable representing the proportion of retirees who would like to find part-time work. If the probability of p hat equals 1 on 81, then the probability of p hat is larger than 0.5 is closest to. Try this question and see if you can get it right. And if you want to practice more questions similar to this one, then go to Maths Methods Club. Then group the questions by this topic under Statistics, click on Filter, and then you're going to see all these questions related to this topic. Go through them, that way you're going to be ready to be able to answer any of these questions when they come up in the exams. As for this question, the easiest way to answer this is to change p hat to an x, where x is going to be a binomial, and so this is the same as the probability that x is larger than, and then what you do is you multiply this number by the sample size, and so 0.5 times 4, this is going to be a half times 4, which is 2, and so this is the same as the probability that x is larger than 2. From here, x is going to be a binomial, where n is going to be the sample size, 4, and we've got p, the probability of success. To find the probability of success, we're going to need to use this information. So again, we're going to change p hat to an x, and so we can write this as the probability that x is equal to, and then 1 times 4, which is 4, and this is equal to 1 over 81. Using the binomial formula, this is going to be 4c4 times p to the power of 4 times 1 minus p to the power of 0, and this is equal to 1 over 81. This will be 1, this will be 1, and so we've got p to the power of 4 is equal to 1 over 81. You can use your calculator to solve for p, or we can do it by hand. This is going to equal the 4th root of 1 over 81, which is equal to 1 on 3. Now that we have the probability of success, we can find the probability that x is greater than 2 using the binomial CDF command in the calculator. And so we go menu 5b. Now the number of trials is 4. The probability of success is 1 on 3. The lower bound, here you need to be careful because we want x is larger than 2 and not including 2. And because with a binomial you can only have whole numbers, this is going to be a 3. And the upper bound is going to be 4. This is equal to 0.1111. Looking at the options, this is going to be option A.